Welcome back all of you. This class I am going to discuss about expressions and operators. Expression means they are the valid combinations of variables, constants and operators. Expressions are any valid combination of variables, literals and operators. You can see one example. I just written one example over there. 4 plus 5 into 3. That is an expression. So it has operators is there and the values also there. And the second example, a greater than b plus 8. That is another expression where it consists of variables are there, values are there or literals are there and the operators are also there. So an expression means it is a combination of operators, literals and variables. Any combination of operators, literals and variables are known as expression. And just see the second thing. Write a Python expression to represent the following situation. So we have to write a Python expression to represent the following situation. Read the first question. First question is add remainder of 8 by 3 to the product of 8 and 3. Add remainder of 8 by 3 to the product of 8 and 3. And I'll show you there in the Python itself. I'll write here in the Python screen. We want to add the remainder of 8 by 3. Then first video or first class in Python, I told you that you can use a remainder operator in Python. The remainder operator is the remainder operator that is used in Python is the percentage sign. So this is the percentage sign. This is the remainder operator which is used in Python. I just mentioned few operators along with the print statement. We will study operators in detail in this class itself, but I just mentioned about few addition operator, multiplication operator, remainder operator, division operator. All these operators already mentioned in the along with the print statement. So this thing. So that is this percentage sign is the remainder operator. Now what we want to do is we want to develop a Python expression to add the remainder of 8 by 3 and the product of 8 and 3. So we want to add the remainder of 8 by 3. So I will get the remainder of 8 by 3. 8 by 3, its remainder. Remainder I can extract by using the percentage sign. And the product of 8 and 3. The product of 8 and 3. 8 into 3. 8 by 3 or 8% 3 will give you the remainder. 8 into 3 will give you the product. And you have to add these two values. So this is a Python expression that is expecting for that question. 8% 3 plus 8 into 3. And just see the second question. What is the second question is mentioned over there? Second question is this one. A plus B divided by 2. So that can be written as, see, I can write the Python expression for that question is, even though if you are writing A plus B like that, when you write in Python, it must be A plus B divided by 2. A plus B together. So that is why I put it inside the bracket. A plus B together divided by 2. A plus B is there in the numerator. So A plus B together, that is represented by using the bracket. So A plus B divided by 2. And the next question. What is the next question? Next question is this one. Ut plus half 8 squared. Ut plus half 8 squared. So that can be written as U into T. Ut, two different variables. So there is no sign in between. That means you have to multiply. There is no sign means that is the multiplication part. So U into T plus A into, we cannot write T square in Python. We have to write it as A into T, the whole divided by 2. One more time we'll explain that one. See that I can write this way. U into T plus half 80 squared. 80 squared, half 80 squared means 80 squared divided by 2. So, I can write A into T square. T square can be represented as T into T. 80 square, half 80 square. So, 80 square divided by 2. So, this together one time. This together one time. That is the numerator part and the denominator is 2. This is the way you have to develop a Python expression. Ut plus half 80 squared. That half means that 2 is under 80 squared. So 80 to 80 squared is a single term that will be coming on the numerator. So that single term is represented by using the bracket. The whole divided by 2. So that is ut plus half 80 squared. What is the next question? Next question is this one. Say here the next question, find the selling price by adding cost price plus profit. So that means you can write selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Just write as it is. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Same way the next one. A equal to x plus 2 by b minus 1. X plus 2 together in the numerator. B minus 1 together in the denominator. So you can write it as A equal to, you can write it as A equal to, that can be written as, this is A equal to x plus 2 divided by whatever in the question. What is there in the question? X plus 2 divided by b minus 1. So I can write it as x plus 2 divided by b minus 1 together one time. So that is I use that bracket over there. A equal to x plus 2 the whole divided by b minus 1. This is the way you have to prepare or develop a Python expression. If a particular term is given, based on that term, you have to prepare a Python expression. Now, next what is there in that next topic is this one, operators. So, first we studied about expression. Next is operators. Operators are the symbols used to perform some operation. They are the symbols used to perform some operation. Different types of operators you know. In Maths, we are using different types of operator. Now, in Python, the operators are categorized into 3. There are 3 different types of operators. First one is unary operator. Second one is binary operator. Third one is ternary operator. One more time I'll repeat. Unary, binary and ternary. Unary operator will use only one operand for its operation. Unary operator will use only one operand for its operation. If I am going to say minus 5, here minus is the operator, 5 is the operand. So if I am saying minus 5 means that is a unary operator. Only one operand is there along with the minus sign. I am going to say plus 10. Plus 10 means plus is the operator. Along with the plus sign, I am using only one operand. That operand is 10. So that type of operators are known as unary operator. Only one operand is there along with that operand, along with that operator. So that is unary operator. And second type of operator is binary operator. Binary. Binary means it uses 2 operand for its operation. It uses 2 operand for its operation. For example, I am going to say 5 plus 4 equal 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 means plus is the operator. Along with the plus, how many operands are there? 5 and 4. They are the operands. So that means for the plus operation, you need 2 operands. So plus is a binary operator. So binary operator operates on 2 operands. I'll give you another example. 10 into 2. Into is the operator there. Along with that into, there are 2 operands are there, 10 and 2. 10 into 2. So 10 and 2 are the operands. So to perform multiplication operation, you need two operand. So the operator which uses two operands are known as binary operator. And the third one is ternary operator. Ternary operator means operators that uses three operands for its operation. There are certain operators are there which uses three operands for its operation. For example, conditional operator. Conditional operator is a ternary operator. What is this conditional operator? We will study in later classes. Now, just study about three different types of operators. Unary, binary, ternary. Unary uses only one operand for its operation. What is binary operator? Which uses two operands for its operation. Ternary operator, which uses three operands for its operation. Now we can see what are the different types of binary operators. Binary operators are again categorized into subdivided into arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, and assignment operator. Four categories of binary operators are there: arithmetic, relational, logic, and assignment operator. See that which are the arithmetic operator. So there are different types of arithmetic operators I written over there in the slide. Addition operator, you know that. Subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator. And the next one, fifth one is remainder operator. Remainder operator, I just told you that remainder operator is percentage sign. That operator symbol is percentage sign. And the next one is integer division, or we will call it as quotient operation. So that means you are extracting only the quotient. After the division, you are extracting only the quotient. Quotient means only the whole number part, not the decimal part. We are not taking the decimal part, only the quotient part. That means only the whole number part. So for that, you are using double slash. And the last one is exponentiation. That means it is used to calculate the power. If you want to calculate 3 raised to 2, so there you can use it, that exponentiation. So these are the different types of arithmetic operation, arithmetic operators. Now I'll try out few arithmetic operators in the screen, in Python screen, which already I discussed in the first class of the Python class. See that I am going to write print. I just want to see the output. That is why I am using the print statement over here. Print 5 divided by 3. 5 divided by 3. See what is the output 5 divided by 3. After typing each sentence, you try, run it and see what is the output. See that output is 1.66. So that is 5 divided by 3. Divided by 3 means only one division operator I used over there. Division operator is this slash sign. Only one operator I used over there. Now I am going to use print. Print 5 percentage 3. 5 percentage 3. I already told that percentage sign is used as the remainder operator. 5 percentage 3. After dividing 5 with the 3, what is the remainder? 5 divided by 3. How many times? Only one time. And the remainder will be 2. So we are expecting the value 2. Check it, is it 2 or not? Run this program. Yes, the answer will be 2 now. See, this is the last answer. It is 2. So that is the remainder operator. And one more operator I will try here. That is print 5 double slash 3. 5 double slash 3. Double slash means it is integer division. That will give you the quotient. Quotient, from the quotient only the whole number part. When you divide 5 by 3, already first example we saw that 5 by 3 means you will get 1.666. From that only the quotient part, sorry, only the whole number part. Or 5 divided by 3, how many times? Only one time. And the remainder will be 2. So that quotient will be 1. Will not take the fractional part. Only that is why it is known as integer division. It will take only the whole number part. And see what is the output coming over here. Now when I run this program, you can see it is 1 is coming over there. One more example I'll try out here. Instead of this one, I am going to write it is 15, and here it is 15, and here it is 15. Can you say the answer without running this program? Just say the answer one by one. First case, 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 means 5 times. 5 3s are 15. 5. So it is single slash is there. So you will get a fractional part over there. You will get a fractional part. Here 5.0 is the answer. That 0 does not have any meaning at all, but answer, when you write the output, you have to write in terms of in terms of fractional terms itself. So here you will, the first answer will be 5.0. And second answer, 5%, 15 percentage 3. 15 percentage 3 means remainder. Percentage is remainder. 15 by 3, 5 3s are 15. So the remainder will be 0. So the second answer we are expecting is 0. And the third answer is integer division. 15 percentage 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 is the quotient. It will not take the whole, fractional part, only the quotient part. So sorry, only the whole number part. That means you will get the answer 5. See, is it the answers? Check. Now, after finding each case, find out the answer manually. After that, you run the program, check your answer is correct or wrong. See that the first answer will be 5.0, second is remainder 0, and the third one is 5. That means only the quotient, only the whole number part, that will be 5. So, that is 3 different types of operators. Into, division and multiplication, all these things you know that. Addition operation, I am not trying out this one here. And next, I am going to use print 5 into 3. Double into. That means 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into, it is not 5 into 3, it is 5 raised to 3. 3 times 5 is multiplying. See the answer? Answer will be 125. Now this is your exponentiation operation. Exponentiation operation is 5 raised to 3. And here there is, I can write this way also, print, I am going to write hello. What is this known as? Something inside the double quotes is known as? Last class we studied about that. Something inside the double quotes is known as? Yes, it is known as string. Now I am going to use string into 3. String into 3. Hello into 3. See what is output. Hello into 3 means what you are getting the answer. See what is the answer? That hello will be displayed 3 times. If you are using any other string, type your name inside this one. Or I am going to type hi. So hi will be displayed 3 times. Instead of that, you type your name and multiply it with 3 or multiply it with something. That much of time that will be displayed over there. So string must be enclosed in the double quotes and into must come outside the double quotes, not inside the double quotes. So string can be multiplied this way. That much of time it will be displayed there on the screen. So these are the basic arithmetic operators. Now we can say about the next topic. So try out all these things. Use the print statement along with this one and try in the Python screen. Now the next is this one. You can add 2 strings by using the plus sign. 2 strings can be added by using the plus sign. Till now what we studied about adding 2 numbers, 2 integer numbers or 2 float numbers. You can add 2 numbers by using the plus sign. Here what I am going to say, 2 strings can be added by using the plus sign. So adding of 2 strings by using the plus sign is known as concatenation. Concatenation means adding 2 strings by using plus sign. I'll try out one example here. See that I am going to take one example. Here, hi, two strings, okay? So, plus, second string I am going to write, hi, Sunita. See that? Two strings. First one is hi and second one is Sunita. So, both are enclosed in double quotes. So, you can see it is string. And that is added by using the plus sign. When you run this program, you can see the output is coming as, yes, hi, Sunita. Both the strings are concatenated. It is known as concatenation. Next we can see what is the next thing in the video. Yes, there are few homeworks are mentioned over there. What you want to do is you have to manually find out the answer in each case. After that, try out in Python screen. Don't directly try out in the Python screen. Then you won't study Python at all. First, you find out the answer manually. Write down in one sheet of paper. After that, try out each one by one. Try out. Don't type everything together. Type the first one. Run it and check it. Your answer is correct. If it is correct, then copy down in your notebook. This is the procedure. This is the way you have to complete your homework. And the next page, I just written few more questions also there. See that the first one, evaluate the following expression. Evaluate the following expression. Already I told you that bracket has the high precedence. So bracket will be done first. And the next high precedence is exponentiation. Exponentiation has the high precedence. After the bracket, the next precedence goes to exponentiation. And the next precedence is your into, division, integer division, and the remainder. All these four has the same precedence. After that only plus and minus has the precedence. One more time I will repeat. Bracket has the high precedence. Then in exponentiation. After that into, division, integer division, and the remainder. And next is your plus and minus. So based on this order, you have to evaluate the expression. In maths, we will use BODMAS rule. Same way, here we are following, this is the order of the expression, order of the operator precedence. Based on that precedence, we have to evaluate the expression. See that, the first expression I will evaluate now. 2 plus 3 inside the bracket. Into, exponentiation, that is raised to 3 minus 6 by 2. In this expression, which will be done first? Yes, bracket will be done first. So you will do 2 plus 3 first. So that will give inside the bracket, you will get the answer 5. Now, next high precedence is for exponentiation. So we will calculate exponentiation next. So 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3 means you will get the answer 125 there. So that part we evaluated. You got 125 there. And now the expression will be 125 minus 6 by 2. 125 minus 6 by 2. Now, there is minus is there, by division is there. Which has the high precedence? Division has the high precedence. So, you will do 6 by 2 first. 6 by 2 means you will get the full, that means whole number with the fractional part. You have to take the fractional also. So 6 by 2 means 3. But here this is single division. So single operator. So that means you have to say the fractional part also. That means 6 by 2 will give you 3.0. And now 125 minus 3.0. That will give you 122.0. So that is the answer for the first expression. So first you have to evaluate the bracket. After that exponentiation. After that you have minus and division is there. Division has a high precedence. So you have to evaluate division next. Then minus should be evaluated. Now see that second question. Second question now I will discuss here. Remaining you have to do by yourself. That also first you evaluate. After that try in the system. 2 plus 3 into 5 division 4 plus 4 plus 6 by 2. So, see then, I'll evaluate here in the Python screen itself. Before that, I just copy that question into here. The question is this one. Yes, this is the question. In Python screen, I'm going to copy that one. Yes, this is a question. We have to evaluate this one. First, how will you evaluate? First, you have to evaluate the bracket. So, 5 is the first bracket part. And next, I am going to write the remaining as it is 5 double slash 4 plus. Next bracket should be evaluated. 4 plus 6, I will get 10 division 2. See that I just evaluate both the brackets. And the bracket evaluated value written over there, and the remaining expression as it is written over there. I didn't make any change. I didn't calculate anything else. Now we have into is there, integer division is there, plus is there, again division is there. So all this into integer division and division has the same precedence. So which will be evaluated from left to right. If multiple operators are coming over there, which will be evaluated from left to right. Leftmost operator will be evaluated first. So that means I am going to evaluate 5 into 5. 5 into 5 will give me the answer 25. Again, I'll write the remaining operators as it is. Divided by 4 plus 10 division 2. Now, here we have integer division is there, plus is there, and the division operator is there. Integer division and the division operator has the same precedence, which will be evaluated from left to right. So that means leftmost operator will be evaluated first. So leftmost operator is 25 integer division 4. Integer division will take only the quotient part or only the whole number part. So 25 divided by 4. 5 fours are 24, 6 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24. So we will take the quotient as 6. 6 fours are 24. Quotient will be 6. And next I'll write it is 10 divided by 2. Now plus and division, which has the high precedence, division has the high precedence. So I will evaluate division first. Plus will be written as it is. Division first. 10 divided by 2. Divided by 2 will take the fractional part also. 10 divided by 2 will give you the answer 5. So here answer will be displayed as 5.0. So here 5.0. Now then remaining is 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 means 11.0. So that's the answer you are expecting there. So find out this way. Try out each operation separately, and this way write down the steps and find the answer. Now I got the answer as 11.0. Now I want to check whether it is correct or wrong. For that I am going to use print statement here. I can use the print statement here. Print, and at the end just close the bracket. Don't forget about the closing the bracket. That print bracket must be opened and it must be closed. Check it, is the answer what you got is right or wrong. Yes, it is right. So this is the way you manually step by step calculate and find the answer. After that, using the print statement, try out in the Python interpreter and check your answer is right or wrong. So same way you have to evaluate the remaining also. Try out the same way and evaluate it there. So that is all about that that topic, and remaining arithmetic, so remaining operators we can study in the next class. Okay, thank you children.